Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today. And I've read some YouTube comments and some folks that follow me on Instagram. I've been reading the comments there. Hey, can you do an update on that spot of grass that we boogered up? For those of you that are new, this is Kentucky Bluegrass, GCI Turf Blue Heat. Renovated last fall. It's looking good right now. This is the following spring. And Roland, my good friend from Outlet, came over and brought a new battery powered mower that they have, and we done a video on it. Well, we were out here raking this area with the turf rake. We changed over to the cutting reel, and neither one of us thought about it, and we didn't adjust the height. And this strip here, it's about 10 foot. You can't really tell it now. It starts here and goes about 8 or 10 foot that way, and it's the width of the mower, about 20 inches wide. And we skint this to the ground.
Oh, oh, I am sorry.
That's all right, ain't no big deal.
No, but that is a big deal. Look at that.
I tell folks it's just grass. It was cut down at around 3/16 of an inch, which is incredibly short. No, I would never intentionally cut my bluegrass that low, but accidents happen. It is what it is. Roland was a little upset. It really didn't bother me. It's just grass. And to kind of put that into context so that you know what I'm talking about when I say it's just grass, what I do is I grow turf for a living. I love turf grass. That's what I do. Who I am is a child of the living God, the creator of all things. Through his son Jesus Christ, I've been forgiven, redeemed, sanctified, and justified through grace and mercy. So I am a born again believer in the gospel of Jesus Christ. That is who I am. That's who I am, not what I do. This is what I do. Who I am is something different. Grass has zero eternal value, so it doesn't affect who I am, right? So I just want to put that in a little bit of context for you. So now you know when I say it's just grass, I'm looking at it from a biblical view. I'm looking at it more on an eternal scope of things, not just the here and now. Grass has absolutely no eternal value whatsoever. So therefore to me, it's just grass. Now I got lucky, okay? Just to be completely honest with you, this happened in the dead of springtime when the bluegrass is vigorous and it's really jumping and really growing good. And I believe that if I wouldn't have touched this, it would have healed back on its own. But what I did do to encourage it to heal back maybe a little bit quicker, now what I did is I took a 32-ounce bottle and 3/4 full of water, put me a couple of ounces, maybe 3 ounces of 505 in it, put 1 ounce or 2 of natural adjuvant in it, and I would come out here and just spray down the area about every 3rd day, roughly. And other than that, I didn't change anything. I didn't mow any different. I didn't water any different. I didn't look at it any different. I didn't panic over it. I didn't get upset. I didn't lose my cool. I didn't do anything different. I just kept going on about normal life, and look at it now. Again, I believe that even without this little mix right here, if I wouldn't even had that, it still would have probably healed up on its own just fine. I think it healed up maybe a touch quicker because I was micro spoon feeding it, giving it little tiny doses of fertilizer every 3rd day or so, and it looks great now. You probably can't see it on the camera, but I can still see a very lightly shaded rectangle. It's extremely light. I mean, you almost have to be looking for it to see it. So I would imagine in the next week that should be completely gone. And the reason for that is the height of this grass hadn't caught up to the rest of the grass yet, meaning it's all not the same level. I cut this at 1 inch, and I'm gonna say that's probably, I don't know, 7/8 or something like that. I better not say that. I'm not the guy to ask about the ruler because I don't know how to read a ruler still. So it's shorter than the other grass. So give it another week and it will have caught up with the rest of the grass. And when I mow it, then that little rectangle spot will go away. So there's your update. Hope this helped and was interesting to you. And as always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later. Oh.